Spectrum out-of-home Wi-Fi extends your internet connectivity beyond your home, providing seamless access to the web wherever you go. Out-of-home Wi-Fi allows Spectrum internet and mobile subscribers to connect to the internet when they're away from their home network. This service helps users save mobile data while staying connected for browsing, email, and streaming. Spectrum operates an extensive network of over 500,000 Wi Fi hotspots across its coverage area throughout the United States. These hotspots are strategically located in public areas, businesses, and high traffic locations. Spectrum Wi Fi hotspots function just like regular wireless internet connections. When your device connects to a hotspot, you can access all your usual online activities with the same reliability you expect from your home network. Access to Spectrum out-of-home Wi-Fi varies by subscription status. Spectrum Internet and mobile subscribers enjoy free unlimited access, while non-subscribers may receive a limited free trial of approximately 30 minutes per month. Spectrum is rapidly deploying Wi-Fi 7-enabled routers, representing the latest advancement in wireless technology. Customers with Wi-Fi 7 are experiencing speeds 86% faster than Wi-Fi 6, with average speeds reaching 826 megabits per second, compared to 443 megabits per second. During emergencies, such as wildfires or floods, Spectrum opens its Wi-Fi access points to provide free connectivity to all residents and emergency responders. You can easily locate nearby hotspots using Spectrum's online map or mobile app, which shows real-time availability in your area. To connect to Spectrum Wi-Fi hotspots, you first need to locate them. Spectrum provides an online map showing over 500,000 hotspot locations across their coverage area. For the easiest connection experience, Spectrum offers automatic connection methods. Spectrum mobile devices and devices with the Spectrum Wi-Fi profile can connect automatically to hotspots. For manual connection, look for network names like Spectrum Mobile, Spectrum Wi-Fi Plus, or cable Wi-Fi in your device's Wi-Fi settings. Then sign in with your Spectrum account, username, and password. Spectrum mobile customers receive priority access to out-of-home Wi-Fi with enhanced speeds and security. Spectrum also offers advanced Wi-Fi, which automatically connects your devices to the best frequency band and channel for optimal performance. Spectrum provides Security Shield, an automatically enabled feature that protects your devices from online threats. It detects and blocks malicious websites, phishing scams, and internet-originated attacks, keeping you safe while connected to hotspots.